Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to quickly and easily reset your BIOS settings. So guys, in order to start, make sure to firstly restart your PC. Let me do that. Okay, and when restarting, when your PC goes off, when the screen goes off, make sure to press either delete button on your keyboard or F2, depending on your motherboard. You can also Google it out and figure out which is the button that will open the BIOS. Just type in your motherboard's name into Google or something and you'll figure it out. And now guys, in here, it's actually pretty simple. So the button to reset your settings is actually F6 on your keyboard. So I'm not really sure if you can actually do this manually on BIOS, but I'm pretty sure also that the keyboard shortcut is probably the same for almost everyone. Yeah guys, so just press on F6, and as you can see, now our BIOS is asking us, do we want to load optimized defaults? So pretty much it's a reset, so it's going to be set to completely defaults. So it will refresh every single setting that you've modified and get them back into the defaults. And this one, if I don't know if you messed something up or you just wish to start from scratch in setting up your BIOS, this is how it's done. Just press F6, yes, then your PC will restart and everything will be back to defaults. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.